everybody, a pretty good afternoon to you all. I'm mahjabin Khan. Now I'm going to give a presentation about some advanced vocabulary. Splendid, chamutkar. This scenery is splendid, gigantic, brihot. This city is gigantic. Efficacious, karyakar. The spoken English course is efficacious. Generous, udar. My mother is very generous. Increase, barano. You should increase your English skill. Melancholic, bishonno. My friend is melancholic today. Authentic, khati. This honey is authentic. Eligible, joggo. The person is eligible for this job. Implement, bastobayon. I will implement this task tomorrow. Decrease, komano. You should decrease your bad habit. Accumulated. Jaro kara. I accumulated my all books. Indifferent. Udash. He is always indifferent of his study. Acknowledge. Shikar kora. I acknowledge contribution of EduTune. Mysterious. Rahasyomoy. This home is mysterious. Peace. Shanti. My home is place of my peace. Concentrate. You should concentrate your class. Exhausted. Klanto. I feel very exhausted. Flimsy. Tucho. Don't think flimsy of as the weak. Prudent. Medhabi. She is very prudent. Auspicious. Mongoljanok. Auspicious. Mongoljanok. Study is auspicious of us. Paucity. Shalpota. There is paucity of electricity in our village. Thank you everybody for your eligible patience.